The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Okay guys, thank you for the wait. I think issue is solved now. Please confirm audio video all fine. Please type yes. Alright, so let's proceed and talk about agenda with recap. We have seen drawbacks of LR. LR means lookup relationship, which are plus points of MDR. MDR means master detail. After that, we have seen we have various facilities in MDR which are like roll-up summary and etc. Various facilities, roll-up summary, etc. We have. So we have to see this one by one. And also the famous interview question which they ask difference, quite famous. Let's talk about that. Minimum 5 answers you need to give in 30 seconds. Then I will tell you the answer. Please proceed. Time is up, guys, and well done. Good try. Now let me tell you what is that. First of all, you can say there is loose bonding in LR, strong bonding in MDR. Next, you can say LR connection is optional, MDR mandatory. You can say LR if primary record deleted, no problem with child record. MDR child record will be deleted. Fourth, which I'm going to show you now as a new thing. So Pay attention. Now I'm going to practically show you third and fourth. What is third? Primary record deleted, child also gone. Okay, now pay attention. Look at this. That's a company worker, master detail. Okay, see now. Let's say Samsung. Now I will do one thing. Here, before you proceed, let's do one thing. Now let's create MDR between company worker. Okay, and then we will see difference practically, and then we will complete MDR. Okay, see now. From the basic, I'm starting. First, what is the first rule of relationship? Find out two objects that you want to connect. Yes, they're ready. Company and worker. Okay, why company worker only? Because in the previous project of Interlogic, the staffing company, we used similar combination. Okay, what is specialty of MDR? Strong connection. For example, if I'm entering worker details, it's compulsory. I should select one company. Without company, how there can be a worker? If company is deleted, worker should be deleted. All these kind of things. Strong connection. So let's practically see this. Now, in the in this process of relationship, first is understanding the object done. Second is understanding what is what is the secondary object. So in our case, what is secondary object? Where we are going to create that relationship field. Any guess? Where we are going to create relationship field. Good. See, always remember you have to create this in the many side. Many workers means worker is secondary. Many salary slips secondary. Many students secondary, like this. Okay, fine. Next step. So go to the worker and create a relationship field like this. Click on fields and relationship. Click on new button. Now see here, what we are going to do is we are going to choose this one, master detail. Click next. Related to what exactly? Related to worker you want to connect to what exactly? I want to connect company. C for company. Just keep on typing C. Next. All this information you know. Only one thing that you don't know, or in fact two things. This you don't know, which I will tell you shortly. This you don't know, which I will tell you shortly. Don't worry. Remaining things you know. Next. Now in the master detail relationship, it is compulsory that the field should be visible. That's why visible option is present. Plus, I cannot change it. Look at this. I'm trying to click, but it is not allowing. It's compulsory to show the field. Visible is compulsory. And even if we cannot make read only, I'm trying to click, but it is not allowing. We cannot make read only. Next. And next. And save. That's it. That's it. And that heading also, the last step that we seen yesterday, heading, that also you guys know, nothing new. So let's move ahead. Relationship field is ready, guys. Now what to do? Now connect the records. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create some records of companies. Let's do one thing. Let's get some companies. Uh, See, now here we don't need to worry about the additional information. We just need to enter the information about the company name. Let's say, for example, Amazon, this one, Amazon, Venue, let's say Vodafone, and let's say Facebook, some company names. Okay. Now let me add some employees to this company. So for that purpose, let me go to worker section, means worker object, and click on this, click on recently viewed, click on new button. Let's create new. Now this worker should be connected with the associated company. But is it compulsory? As soon as you select master detail, it is going to be compulsory. It is going to be compulsory. And I'm going to show you from the scratch that how it's going to be compulsory, plus all the related features, like how actually it behaves whenever we connect anything with master detail. We are going to see how it behaves also. Okay, so all these kind of things we are going to see. Meanwhile, everyone confirm audio video all fine, everyone is going good. Hmm. Okay, now see, worker name Nancy, experience doesn't matter, salary doesn't matter, not important for us. Company, let's say Facebook, save new. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you one by one the behavior. If same thing, if I do by master detail relationship, then how it's going to work. Okay, same thing we are going to see in the format of master detail relationship. Let's see. Now what is the next step? So we have tabs, we have object. What is the next step in the discussion, as per discussion of Monday session? The next step. All right. So guys, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect the record, but before that I will make it empty. I will keep the data empty, and I'm going to show you its behavior when the data is empty. See what I will do now. While creating worker, I'm going to make it empty. So I'll try to create worker record and we'll try to keep it empty. Okay, let's see how we can do that. And in this process, let me go to this worker object. Can you hear me? Please confirm. Can you hear me? Everyone, please confirm. Can you hear me? Okay. So I was telling you we have some companies. Now let me create a worker. And while creating worker, I'm going to select no company. Ajay, whatever experience, whatever salary. Look at this. Difference number one, the behavior is mandatory, or I will say this connecting behavior is mandatory. And difference number two, the connection is mandatory. It's strong bonding. So almost similar thing, but you can mention two statements. One is strong bonding, next is connection is mandatory. Now next. Now let us see this process of deleting the company and see what's going to happen. Okay. So now let me connect to the company. Let's say Facebook, save. Now if I delete Facebook, let's see what's going to happen. Okay, let me open companies. The way it happened in the past to Orkut or Google Plus. Let's say same thing happen to Facebook. Facebook gone from the market. Let's say delete Facebook. See what's going to happen. Facebook gone. Go to this Ajay, which was employee of Facebook. Refresh. Look at this. What it's saying? It may be deleted. Record gone. So this is one more behavior of MDR. You can tell in the interview. And one interesting thing, guys. Now, if I go to the recycle bin, see, if I go to the recycle bin to see these records, see these records. So for your surprise, you are not going to see any child record. Look at this record. You can see Facebook record, but there is no child record. And this is going to be helpful for you in the job when you will try to see why there is no child record. So as per the behavior of Salesforce, it is going to show you only parent record here, no child record. But don't worry, if you restore, child also available, parent also available. Let me show you. Okay, see now. Right now here only parent. Okay, so click on Facebook, click on restore. Record is recovered. Now go to the company, click on recently viewed. Look at this, Facebook is available. Plus go to worker, click on recently viewed. Ajay also available. Okay, so no one is going to ask you in the interview or exam. Yeah, but in your job, this will need, because you may get confused. Your team may get confused. Where is the child record gone? Okay, at that time. Fine. Now let's talk about next difference. Next difference is ownership. Means what? Okay, see. Let me open any random teacher record, Maria, where I have owner field. What is the meaning of owner? In Salesforce, owner means responsible person for this record. This person is responsible for this record. Okay, that's it. This is the meaning of owner. Let me go to student record. Any student? Do we have owner field here? Yes, we have owner field here also. Here also we have owner field. All right. Next, after that, next point. If I go to master detail relationship, companies, let's say Facebook, do we have owner? Yes. But now look at the surprise. Go to worker, recently viewed, Ajay, and no owner. Now, before I tell you the answer in 5 seconds, please guess why this is happening in 5 seconds. Tell me. Good, good try. Okay, see guys, Salesforce says that master data relationship is so strong that the owner of company record will become automatically owner of worker record. So in this case, we don't need we don't need any special ownership field. In our example, whoever is owner of Facebook record, whoever is owner of Facebook record automatically will become of owners of all these worker records. That's it. That's why it is not shown. Okay. Please note in the related section we can see all the child records and it will be owner of all the child records automatically. Let me show you. Go to company, go to Facebook, owner of master record will become automatically owner of child record. Okay, or I can see like this, or I can go to company, open Facebook, go to related. I can do like this also. I can do like this also. Okay, so please note. After this, now let me tell you one more difference. Please note, one more difference is one object 40 LR possible, one object 2 MDR possible. This is also difference. Max to max. 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 Okay? Max. Now, why Salesforce said only 40? Why not 41? Why not 39? No one knows in the market because Salesforce told no one. It is their business decision. And no company will keep on telling these things in the market. They will only tell limit is maximum 2 MDR and that's all. They don't keep on explaining the reasons to the market. It is their software. They will decide the policy. And now guys, after this, now I'm going to ask you one question. Whatever answer you are given, it will give me the clarity how much clear you are. So look at this object. Here we have one LR. Here we have one LR. How many more LR I can create? How many more LR I can create? Tell me. Correct? 39. Very good. Total 40 minus 1, 39. Correct answer. Alright. Next question. Go to worker. New. Already I have one MDR. How many more MDR? Yes, 1. Total 2. 1 done. Remaining 1. That's it. 2 minus 1, 1. And finally, there is one more difference. Roll-up summary is present in MDR. Yes, present. And please note, roll-up summary is not present in LR. This is also one difference. Okay. But anyways, that we are going to see very soon practically. Now let me go to that field creation where I told you that while creating MDR, I told you two things are there which I will tell you shortly. So it's time to discuss that. Go to fields and relationship, open company record, edit. Okay, see. What is the sharing setting? First of all, let me tell you, it's not going to matter much for a person like you and me. A person with limited access will be having this issue. What is that? Okay. Salesforce is saying, Shekhar, when you are on the company record, let me open the company record. When you are on the company record, means not me, not you, we are important people in Salesforce with special rights, system admins. I'm talking about general person. When general person will be on this record of where is company? Yeah, on this master record, on the same time, he can go to related and he can see child records. Yes, correct. So he can. So what kind of access you want to give to that person of the child record? Read only or read write? Guys, we have to do nothing about this. Client will decide, and that's it. So let the client decide. One more, reparenting means what? Salesforce is saying that Shekhar, once any worker is associated with any company, now we cannot change the company again. Look at this. Now we cannot change. This is the behavior of master detail because the connection is strong. Connection is strong. We can't change company name once connected with worker. But sometimes in the project you may need that. You may need that. So what to do? Okay, in that case, go to this allow reparenting means allow change in the parent. Save. Go to this refresh. Look at this. Okay. So now I can change the parent. Vodafone. Save. We can do that. We can do that. Next. Okay. Now after this, it's time to go for a short quiz. Please note, just in 30 seconds, you have to answer. Please proceed. Time is up. So guys, here, as per this information, Salesforce says answer is 38. Salesforce company says as per their rules and regulation, answer is 38. Okay. So we just need to understand their policy, memorize and tell in the interview or use in the job. That's all. Because all these policies set by Salesforce. They said only 38 now. Okay. Next. Now guys, let's see the last difference which is remaining practically to be seen to roll-up summary. From the name summary, you might have got the idea. It's something about summary. Yes. So actually what it will do is it will give the summary of child record. For example, I'm going to company. Here, let's say, imagine I'll do one thing. I'll add some workers. So let's do one thing. Let's create some workers. So Ajay is part of Vodafone. Now let me create one more for Vodafone. Vijay, whatever experience, whatever salary, Vodafone, save. Yeah, that's it. Now imagine if I go to any company record, Vodafone, go to related. Here I may see 1000, 10,000, 8,000 records. For the big company like TCS and Cognizant, the number of employees are huge. Now suppose you need a requirement, you have a requirement that you need to find out the highest or maximum experience out of 5,000 employees. Is it going to be easy? No, it's going to take lots of time. I want to see the lowest salary out of 8,000 employees. So much time. So much time it will take. Okay. So please note, now in this case, let me tell you, Salesforce is giving a solution called as roll-up summary. Salesforce says I will take summary of all your child records and I will show you somewhere here on parent record because it's a summary of child. So definitely it's going to be better to show on the parent. Fine. How to see? First of all, you need to go to the parent. Go to parent object and create the field on parent object. Fields on relationship. Click on new and let's create the field called as roll-up summary. Click on next. Give the name. Now what you want? See, let's say I want to see maximum salary. Okay, so maximum salary. Next, you want summary from which object? Worker. Now please note these are the four type of summary we can bring from child. We can count child records. We can do sum of any element like salary, experience, minimum of salary, maximum of experience, like this we can do. Maximum experience like this. Right now I need maximum. As soon as I select maximum, Salesforce will say maximum of what? Salary, experience what? Minimum of what? But for the count, if you select count, this option is not required because you're simply counting the records. Then what is the point of talking maximum? What is the point of talking about salary or experience and all? Count means just simple number of records. That's it. Just number of records. Next. So now I'm going to select max. I'm going to select here experience. Sorry, we said salary. Now you want to see maximum salary out of all the records. or only some particular type of records. For example, show maximum salary where country equal to America. Then you can select your second option and you can select country equal America. uh, Department equal to Salesforce. Like this you can do. But do we have that requirement? No. Then just click on all records should be coming in the calculation. Next. Visible for all, read only for no one. Next. Save. Go to this and let's see the output. Refresh. Company, open any company, let's say Vodafone. And look at this, guys. It's showing you maximum salary within a few seconds. And how dynamic it is, let me show you. Let's say if I add a worker with more salary or something like that, let's say Adam 99999, wait, experience whatever, salary 99999. Now see what's going to happen. Dynamically, it's going to take the value 99999. Look at this. Okay, it's working. Next, please note that there is one problem with this. Even though it's looking good, but there is a problem. What is the problem? Now, sometimes client will tell you, guys, you are showing maximum salary, everything is good, you are showing maximum salary. But this salary belongs to which person? Show me the name, show me his employee ID, show me his last name. No, no, no. Salesforce is not going to provide any solution on that. Salesforce says, I will only show you value, but what is the further details? The name of the person, email address, mobile number. No, there is no such facility in Salesforce. So remember this limitation. This is a common question which comes from client. Tell it will only give you value, but this is related to which record? No, it will not. Now in 10 seconds, please tell me the answer, which is the exam question also. Good, good try. You can say it's a special type of field that will show summary of child records. This field is created and works only on parent record, works only in master detail relationship. And if they ask you limitation, then you can see it will only tell you value, but it is not going to tell you the information about the record. Lowest salary, but which person's lowest salary? No idea. It will not tell you. Okay. Next. By the way, there is one more limitation of roll up summary. In one object, we can create only limited roll up summary. So in the past, the limit was 10 per object, only 10 roll up summary, but now the limit is 40. After few days, what will be? Salesforce company knows. Keep yourself up to date in the Salesforce market by the updates coming in the Intellogics WhatsApp group. There you will get the updates. Please note this 40 and lookup relationship 40 has no connection. Please don't mix those two things. This 40, that 40 is different. No connection. Next. After that, and by the way, if anyone is not present in the WhatsApp group of Intellogic, mail me ASAP to avoid further loss of your benefits, your knowledge, even job openings and mock interview information. Apart from that, free scholarships, information, everything, workshops, everything we mention in that group only. Free workshops and all, everything in the group. Next. Now, please tell me the answer in 5 seconds. Good, time is up. Now, let me tell you the answer. Sum, min, max count. Now, let me talk about one scenario in the past where one of the client of Intellogic made a requirement of average of a value in the project using roll of summary. Now you know there is no average value or there is no average option. Then how to do? To answer this question, first of all, you need to tell me the school level knowledge. What is the formula of average? What is formula of average? Good. Please note. Let's say average of salary. Now tell me. Yes, total salary divided by count of employee. Now I don't think so I need to tell this to anyone. We have seen these kind of things in the school, and this is also not related to Salesforce. So you guys know this kind of basic mathematics. So now, how we provided solution to our client? Let's see. Let's see the same example, average of salary. So in this case, first of all, we have created two roll-up summary fields on the company. So let me do this, and let me show you what we have done. Meanwhile, I will just get rid of this maximum salary. I don't need this now. Okay, so new roll-up summary field called as sum of salary. Next, worker sum of salary. Done. Save and new. One more roll of summary, that is count of employee. Next, worker count. See, that's it. Now do division. Whenever we have to do division like this, we have something called as formula field. So go to new button. Where you want to do some kind of automatic calculation, addition, subtraction, division, go to formula and let's do it. And here I am going to get average of salary. So here it will be coming in the number, okay? Average will be in the number. It can come in the fractional part. So two decimal we can give as per the standard format. So we'll get the output like this, okay? After decimal point, two values will be coming. Next. So what is the calculation? So just do one thing, insert the field in the company. We have sum of salary, then use operator, use division operator, divide by, again insert the field, count of employees, simple process. Next, visible, next, and save. That's it. That's it. Okay. Now go to this and let's see the output. Any record you can open. Let's say Vodafone. Look at this. Sum is this, count is this, average is this. That's it. Sometimes our clients say, don't show this intermediate value. Directly show the final output. Then what we do? Okay. Go to the company. In the left hand side, third option, page layout. Click on that. Then open that single value, single entry, whatever you see. Scroll down. Take the mouse cursor on the sum. At the last, you can see remove this. Count at the last, remove this, and save. That's it. So now look at this. Okay. So this way we show systematic value, systematic information to the customer. So you also learn like this and provide systematic output to your client in the project. Now, in the past in Amazon interview, they have asked one question where we can create roller summary field. Please note, there are only two places where we can create roll-up summary field. Please note, I will say there are only two conditions. Condition number one, MDR should be there. Master detailed relationship should be there. Otherwise, it is not going to work. And this field, roll-up summary, is going to work the field to be created on master. These two things are compulsory. Okay. Please note, two conditions, MDR should be there, then only roll summary and the field should be created on master, then only it's going to work. That's it. So guys, we are done with our today's agenda and we have taken the extended session. As in the beginning we had some technical issue, but agenda is over. Keep doing your revision and let's meet tomorrow.